wicket has bought Babar Azam. Shot 4. Wide again. Yeah, you give him room. And there's that swing to the leg side. He picked up the length quickly and punished it. Now this one will be 6 all the way, drifting onto the pads. And that's a big one, top tier as well.
Well, Fakhar has decided that he's coming straight at him. This is short and pulled away nicely. This will make him feel good. This might not go to the boundary, but he'll fetch. Oh, he didn't run.
Up against England, who prop the table up at the moment. Oh, that won't help his mood either. That's another half a dozen. Over mid-wicket. Bucket starting to find some risk.
Up your sleeve as well. Each ball. 4. Outside edge. We saw Kane Williamson do that. Now, the Pakistani captain returns.
Right throughout this innings. Sentner. Big shot, 6. Pick the length early. This is good from Babar Azam. This partnership needs to... Oh, what a good shot that is. Great piece of timing. They want to control the left-hander on his pads, and this was beautifully struck. Has gone up in the air. Chance not to be. Just flies over that fielder at square leg. It was hard. Well, he's got the option right, Fakhar Zaman. This time it's a straight 6 over long on. What great back. Plays the cut shot, plays it brilliantly. What a good shot that is. 50 comes up for Fakhar Zaman. Really has been one great innings to watch. 50. Big shot, that's gone and almost hits our screen here. Goes big again, it's flat and 6 again. You beauty. Tremendous striking from the left-hander. What a...
Spinner.
Oh, he's got him. He's got him, big. That's top-tier stuff again. He is clubbing it. I mean, just absolutely. One more. Behind point. 3 glorious shots. Forcing Phillips. Forcing Southey back. Just far enough. Santner's a tool man, and just for a second he thought he was in business, and so did Southey, but... Oh, that's gone miles. Absolutely gone miles. And Fakhar Zaman with that gets the 99. Works it away behind point, and that is something absolutely sensational. New Zealand are on the ropes. Sweep for 4. That is so clever. He had to fetch that from wide and hit it a long way behind square.